You know, traditional protocols like spanning tree waste bandwidth and limit performance due to the nature of the protocol that blocks redundant paths to prevent loops. Where spanning trees sees limitation, SPB sees possibilities and replaces complexity with simplicity. SPB will leverage all available links, unlocking optimal traffic flow among many other benefits. That's why we are introducing an Alcatel-Lucent Enterprise SPB Deployment Guide, a step-by-step roadmap to build a high-performance, future-ready network. Our guide explains each step needed for a successful deployment, all that while highlighting our best practices. In our sample guide, the SPB backbone relies on two essential components: the backbone core bridges for high-speed traffic forwarding and the backbone edge bridges to connect your services. Each service, like corporate, guest, or voice, is mapped to its own ISID and carried over a dedicated BVLAN, ensuring perfect traffic isolation and strong scalability. A quick focus on security: services are segmented using VRFs, hosted on BEB3 and BEB4, the main router in this topology. Communication between services is strictly controlled by the policy-based router, a firewall-like switch that also handles micro-segmentation. Finally, we use OSPF to dynamically share routes across VRFs and enable external connectivity. And the best part, this architecture is designed to be modular and fully scalable. As your network grows, simply add more BCBs and BEBs. The foundation remains the same. The rest is up to you. So, if you are ready to simplify your network and scale with confidence, you can already download the full guide today on my portal or spacewalker.com. That's it for me. Thanks you for watching, and I'll see you next time.